Happy New Year and welcome back to Cars Enthusiast channel. Today I'm going to show you something that is a bit of a problem, especially in the winter time. Something that all drivers deal with, and I'm going to try and see if this product works. Disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video, but nonetheless I have to do something about it. Because I own a car and I love to drive, I decided to buy something which you will find in this as an experiment. This is something that has to deal with the fog, the windscreen fog you deal with every morning or every time you jump in your car and start it. In winter time, when it's cold outside, definitely you will have some windscreen fog on the inside of your car. So I thought I might give it a try to this product, and at the same time I thought I might give it a try as an experiment, and I could show to you guys if it really works or not. So I really don't know what to expect. I hope this will be exactly what it was meant to be. So I don't know, we'll see. So with the unboxing, we'll have this couple box that receipt from them, and you'll get the anti-fog. This is not, this says number 1 first class. So this is not sponsored, the video is not sponsored or anything. I just have this issue with my windscreen every time I'm, oh, so that's it. This is just packaging. Right, so I have this issue every time I jump in my car to drive it. I have to spend like 5 to, I don't know, 10 minutes to clean the windscreen. So there it is. We have, is this a sock? Oh, so we have a nice cloth here to clean it with. Then we have the actual product, anti-fog, long lasting. So again, this is not sponsored, as you all know, especially who can sponsor me when I don't have even 1,000 subscribers. But anyway, it came with this tag system. This is the this is a block of foam with a small sponge here. I will read about it, how to use it and everything, and that's kind of it. Another cloth, which is, oh, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 5 cloths like this, which is nice. They're very I don't know, quality material, probably to wipe it down first or last, I'm not sure, honestly. Just have to read everything. Oh, and what a surprise, anyone could help me? Oops. So we don't have user manual or anything for this. Hold on. Oh yeah, look, it is here. I didn't see it. Coffee break. So directions: clean your glass with a glass cleaner or with tack oil 0. 2, shake well the bottle, this one. 3, 50 centimeters square centimeters, sprinkle 2-3 times. So you have to sprinkle with this on like half a meter, and then apply on the glass using Swede MF wrapped on the blue applicator. Right, so I think this is the Swede, which you use it on the block like this and spray on the glass, and then with this you just wipe it. Okay. 5, wait 5 to 10 minutes to dry, and 6, wipe off with MF pad supplied. So you use one, hold on, you use one to clean it and then the rest to wipe it. Okay. Precautions: do not touch the surface after coating. Keep in a cool dry surface. keep out of reach of children. Yeah, of course. All right, so that being said, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna try it, and then I'll let you guys know what is happening. So I'll film the process, and I'll give you my opinion. So it's gotten to the point where this is what I have to deal with every morning, especially that I'm starting my job in the middle of the night. And to be fair, it's gotten to the point where this is actually like a layer of ice. So I've seen this product called anti-fog used by this guy in UK, right? And he shown in his video that the product works. Also, he had the link for the anti-fog product in the description. Thing that I'm gonna do as well, if this works. You will have step 1, clean your windshield, windscreen, whatever. Yeah, so you clean it first. Step 2, grab this, put it around it like that, spray it, and spread it on the windows. And step 3, get the other cloth and buff it out. After 10 minutes, buff it all out. And that should be it. First thing I'm gonna do is to use a glass cleaner, just a normal glass cleaner, brand new towel, microfiber towel, and wipe all the fog out. Like, well, I'm gonna clean the windscreen as well as the side windows. And yeah, as you can see, still some fog left on it. Now I'm gonna take the product. Hold on, I'm filming with one hand and have to show you guys with the other. Use this with one of these cloths. I'm gonna spray the cloth, and then I have to spread it out on the window. Then I have to wait for about 10 minutes. I will have to take this cloth, I'll have to buff it out. Windows are much cleaner. As you can see here, it was a lot of fog just before I applied that. Right now, I am very pleased. I'm gonna wait 10 more minutes and I'm gonna buff all out. Tomorrow, around this time, I will have to see the moment of truth. And as a checkout, you can see where I missed a spot. Look, everything is good, but there is a spot, as well as on the other side. Look over there. So yeah, it works. As you can see, I haven't done this window here. Can you see it? But see, it's full of fog. But the one that I did doesn't have fog at all. Look, you can even see through the windscreen. But here, it's very foggy, as well as in the back. Look, see? So I think it works pretty great. I'll give it a thumbs up. So you've seen it. Have another look, and it all works. If you like and enjoy my videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.